What are you doing?
I don't know.
What up? Best of the best. Thursdays, DC Soundstage. You already know what it is. Kove, man. I'm here. Homie DBlack.
Mr. Bennett,
bro. Orchestrated Noise.
Fucking with all day, every day.
We on Bennett Road right now.
My home.
Okay.
All day.
Another successful night.
No feast.
Another successful night. Going down.
All right, bet it up.
Got my man
Everybody here.
Funny nigga here, man. Y'all gonna attend in the background. Remember this face, y'all gonna see us on tour buses with this fat funny motherfucker.
Yeah, this is what we do. Orchestrated music. If you ain't with it, get the fuck out of here. Cause we ain't with all that dumb shit. You know what I'm saying? Niggas wanna hate, niggas wanna be bitches, wanna be fake ass gangsters. Nigga, we real trappers, rappers. Nigga, we do this shit. This is orchestrated music. Motherfucking DC Soundstage. If you ain't with it, get the fuck out my way.
Hey yo, this nigga, man, he do the most yelling without going an octave higher than he normally goes. Man. Got to the God.
Speaking Ewok, so
yeah, he go real low. Yeah, he's the most mellow, loudest nigga I know. Yeah.